everyone, I just had to show you. I've been opening the parcels that have arrived this morning, and I just wanted to show you the naughty Charlie boy, and you can see why he's so interested. Actually, in order that I ordered something, the lady sent something for him, and look, he's got his paw on there. Look. What are they? What's there? That's lovely Linda, isn't it? She sent you another treat, didn't she? Do you want a treat? Yes, you do. And are you going to say thank you? Because you're so spoiled, aren't you? You're a very spoiled boy. Well, we're going to have a treat, so I'm just saying a big hello and a big thank you to Linda, and a big thank you to everyone. Look at these parcels that have arrived this morning. Just there, and I'm going to be showing them later on. You guys are phenomenal, aren't they, Charlie? We're going to go get a treat, and I will see you all later to show off some more of your gifts and cards and lots of things that you guys have sent in. You are absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me for more gift mail that came yesterday. So I'm trying to catch up with everything. So I received 3 packages, but 2 packages was from the same lady. So let me show you the gorgeous things that have arrived. So I'll just pull these out. Right, so the first the 2 packages that arrived were from the wonderful Denise Coombs, and she actually sent 2 lots of cards that we can make into gift sets. So let me just move that out of the way, put the rubbish in the bin, and show you these gorgeous cards. I mean, there's thank you cards, but I think she wrote me a little card as well, which is just lovely. I'm going to treasure those. So let me show you these cards. So look at these, aren't they just, look at the birdie. Isn't that just a beautiful thank you card? Absolutely stunning. Look at these, look at the doggies. Just gorgeous. I must put these back in the and these are thank you cards. Sorry, I thought these were for sets, but I definitely need thank you cards because we are at 120 gifts now, guys. 120. So I think actually I've got about that many cards. So we are needing more thank you cards. Oh yes, she did say that there was lots of thank you cards in here. Look at these, aren't these just very pretty? These are embossed. She's embossed on that. That's lovely. Oh, you guys are a talented bunch. You really are. Let me just have a look and see. Oh, aren't they beautiful? Oh, I think these might actually be the pelons. Pelon. Oh, you know, the peely things. Oh, they're beautiful. Look at the little birds. Just gorgeous. Thank goodness for more thank you cards. Oh, look at the beautiful butterflies. Aren't they just lovely? Thank you so much, Denise. Oh, it's a pusscat. Charles, he's a pusscat, Charles. I don't know if you can see him. He's being a little monkey. Say hello. Say hello to everyone. Yeah, he's been a little monkey. Actually, he's being a good boy at the minute, she says. Look at the pusscat. Charles, he's a cute little kitten. That's what you would have looked like when you was a baby. It actually looks like a baby you. Yes, it does. Yes, Charlie got more treats in the post yesterday. And I will put a little clip up later that'll make you laugh. Oh, so funny. Look at these lovely, gorgeous butterflies. Oh, so cute. Yeah, I was opening the post and I had ordered something from a lady and she had put it in wrapping paper and I put it on the table and he went and laid on it because she sent him, I can't say the word, a bag of TREATS's And anyway, I'll show you the clip. I'll put it up to make you laugh. He's so funny. He had his little paw on them. But I'll show you that, make you laugh. Isn't that beautiful? Love the colours. So lots of thank you cards, which I did need desperately, because I think I am up to using all of the ones that I've got. Maybe I'm going to have to count them later. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, do you know what? I've got a lot of these die cuts, you know, like out of the card making packs that you get. I must find them, and actually I could probably knock up some thank you cards as well. Knock up, that sounds awful. It's because I'm not as talented as you guys. Oh, look, it's baby Charles. Oh, look at the cats. Oh, I just love them, love them, love them. Right, let's get these ones out. Oh, it's going to be a cat, isn't it? It's going to be a cat. Oh, look at that. Where did you get that from? Please let me know, Denise, where you got him from. Oh, and this. Oh, Denise, please can you tell me where you got this die from and this die cut from, because I would like to know. I have to find out. They are just super cute. Oh, I love him. Oh, don't break his whiskers off then. Make sure he gets... Oh, I have to find out where you got that die from. That is amazing. Oh, look, a fairy. These lovely thank you cards. I haven't been on camera showing these because I look rough at the minute. I will be on camera tomorrow, I promise. Oh, look. Aren't they just beautiful? Oh, so much hard work gone into everything. Oh, look at this. I like that as well. Where? Oh, I've put some more glue on that. I think I really took that off. I just wanted to see where. That is just lovely. It's like oh, I don't even know. It's very shiny and yummy cardstock. Oh, I love that card. Oh, you guys, what's here? Oh, little poodlies. Are they put? No, not poodles, are they? What are they? Oh no, they're not poodles. They are. Oh my goodness me! What are they called? They're not poodles. They are. Don't. Oh no, not more cats. They're not poodles. Oh, they'll come to me after I come off camera. I know they will. Oh, so many lovely cards. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness me. And your raffle tickets have been entered into the draw for Monday. Oh, look at that beautiful butterfly. Just gorgeous. And then it's not over yet, Charles. Let me move these to one side. And then she's also put in, oh, these are lovely. Look at the colours on them. Right, well that will keep me going for a little bit longer with me thank you cards. Oh, look at the handbag. Let's hope I've got these in shot. Aren't they beautiful? So thank you, Denise. And please let me know where you got those dies from for the cat and that decorative label sort of thing. Love it. Right, so those are from the wonderful Denise. So let me put those to one side there. And then the next package is from Gemma Spencer. And where did I just put it? Oh, here. These are from Gemma Spencer. No. Off. It's not for you. Off biting me. Just get these out. Wait till you see what's in here. Let me just put these all to one side. So, oh my gosh, she sent so many wonderful... Ah, right. He just bit me, naughty boy. Let me see if I can... I'm so sorry. These have all come out all... Oh, some more thank you cards. Look, these. Oh, they're cute. Aren't they cute? Just, oh, aren't they lovely? These are gorgeous. Oh, look, with the little heart on them as well. Right, let's try and keep these together. Oh, I love them. Love them, love them, love them. Oh, more thank you cards. That's amazing. Oh, oh, they're lovely. I love this. Oh, I think I've messed these up. Right, to put that one there. And then, oh, brilliant. So many thank you cards. Oh, thank you so much, Gemma. Excuse me. And look, she put, I love, do you know what? This has, when I saw this, this has made me want to do this with my journals. I love what she's done. Look, she's put some, it's like thick baker's twine. And what she's done is she's put it on one edge and then put some beads. Look, a heart bead and a tassel on the bottom. I want to do these with my journals because look, that just looks super, super cute. And this says, throw glitter in today's face. Oh, this is lovely. And look, I want to know where she gets this pocket die from. Look, that is so cute. So please let me know where you get your dies from. So Gemma, can you let me know where you get this die from, please? And there's a gorgeous bookmark. And look, a little calendar. Oh, that's so cute. Excuse me. And some little, you know, journaling spots there as well. It's just super cute. Let me get that back in. Oh, I love this paper. And then you've got your writing pad here. And then there's another pocket here. I love this die. Please, please, please. Oh, that's a different die. Or is that the same die? No, it's the same. Please, can you tell me where you get this die from? I want one for my journals. I have to have one of these. Oh, I think I know what she's done. I think she's cut out like a pocket and then she's used a rectangle die, which I don't have. I think that's what she's done. How clever. Oh, I love it. So there's this gorgeous journal, which I now need to copy her with this because I think that looks so lovely. And I love this as well. What she's done here, love that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. But look at these. Oh my goodness me. Look, they all say a big hug for you. Thanks. And look, the little magnet page doodads. Look, how flipping cute are these. Look, I just I've actually, after seeing these, I have now gone and ordered some of these magnetic sheets so that I can make some because I love these. These are just gorgeous. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. These are going in the journals. Look at them all. Aren't they gorgeous? No, see, I keep seeing these things and going, oh my gosh, I want to make them. And then look at these bookmarks. Thanks is not nearly enough. You're incredible. And she has sent me the link to get this stamp actually. So I will be getting the stamp because I think these are gorgeous. But I also love these bookmark sleeves as well. So she's put so many of these in here. Look, aren't these just, oh, I love them, love them, love them. Just so many beautiful gifts here that I can put with journals, I can put in the bags. So thank you to Gemma and thank you to Denise for today's, well, this was actually yesterday's gift mail. So thank you so much. You've all had your raffle tickets entered into the draw. I just love everything. Thank you so much. Big thank you. Love you guys. I shall see you all later. Take care for now and happy crafting. Bye bye.